Hi there, here's the newly launched Amazfit T-REX Pro. So it's a successor of the extremely popular T-REX and I've been using this for a couple of days. You can see I'm wearing it. And let me tell you that I personally prefer square watches. But the T-REX is the only round watch that I can't get enough of. I guess it's that rugged design, that sporty look that I really love. So it comes packed with lots of features, but still it leaves us asking for more. I'm going to tell you all about it, what's new, its features, my user experience, the price and availability. So make sure you watch the full video. We'll start with the unboxing that I've actually done a couple of days ago. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of the Amazfit T-REX Pro. So you have the branding right here, you have the image here, looks amazing. On this side you have a list of some of the features. It says military standard, then it says precise positioning with multi-GNSS, water resistance up to 100 meters, built-in altimeter, barometer and compass. Towards this side it says 1.3-inch AMOLED display, blood oxygen saturation measurement, 100 plus sports modes and ultra long battery life. If we see closely, it says the color is desert gray. I like it. Alright, let's open it. Ooh, that looks amazing. So first thing, we have the watch itself, then you have the charging cable and a really thick product manual. So firstly, let's address the upgrades from the previous T-REX. The previous T-REX had 5 ATM water resistance rating. Now the T-REX Pro gets 10 ATM, which is like 100 meters. So swimming, diving and even scuba diving should be fine. The new T-REX Pro also will track 100 plus sports mode. Way too many from the previous 14 on the T-REX. Then it has a second generation bio-tracker that now also supports SpO2. Everyone wants that. And it also has better tracking, drastically improving your battery life with GPS enabled. Now you get 40 hours of continuous GPS, which was actually double. We got only 20 hours with the previous non-Pro variant. Super interesting. So let's dive in deeper, starting with the build and design. So the design is very identical to the previous T-REX, which is actually a good thing. It retains the rugged, beefy and sporty look of the previous T-REX that everyone loved. It has a round dial with the polycarbonate build. Now this is a grey color and the dial on the top has a little darker ring with button labels engraved. There are 4 physical buttons, 2 on each side, which makes it easy to navigate. We'll come to the use in just a minute. But I have to say, the G-Shock design inspiration is apparent and I personally love this desert grey color. Moving to the back, it's made of plastic and houses the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals. The provided proprietary charger is magnetic, so when you bring it closer, it aligns and starts charging. The straps are made of silicone and come color coordinated with the body. It has an amazing texture on the top, making it look even more dynamic. It's a buckle design and is wider on the top and gets thinner a little below, which actually provides a very good grip on the wrist. It doesn't feel bulky and is extremely comfortable to wear all day, apart from when you wear it to bed to track your sleep. Now that's very subjective. I though still wore it a couple of times, but maybe I would prefer something lighter like a smart band. Even though this weighs just 59 grams, which is really light considering that a similar sized G-Shock watch is heavier. So I'm sure many would be still happy to wear this to track their sleep at night. The T-REX Pro comes with 15 military grade certification, so it can withstand over 70 degrees of heat or even minus 40 degrees cold, ice, snow and shock resistance to name a few. The Amazfit T-REX Pro is like a Hummer, looks tough and stylish on the outside and is sturdy, strong and smart from the inside. Moving to the display, it has a 1.3-inch touch AMOLED display with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels. The colors look super vibrant and punchy. It also gets bright enough to see under direct sunlight, thanks to the built-in proximity sensor, so it can adjust the display brightness. Also, you can set it manually if you want to. The glass comes with anti-fingerprint coating, so it remains clear of dirt and smudges. I know that might seem small, but if the display is not clear, the whole experience is ruined. So I always appreciate it. Viewing angles too are really good, no shift in color or brightness. The device also supports AOD. Yes, always on display mode. Digital and analog are available in variety of options. But always remember, and I think I've said this before, but always on display will drastically reduce battery life. So use it when needed, or use it all the time, but be prepared to trade off some juice. Raise the wrist to wake the display had mixed experience. At times it would take more than necessary and it would get really frustrating, while at times it was almost instant. I'm assuming the delay is more software related and can be fixed with an update. The watch comes packed with sensors, BioTracker 2, gyroscope, ambient light, which I had mentioned earlier, barometer, altimeter and compass. It's ideal for hikers and mountaineers. The BioTracker 2 can track your heart rate 24/7. However, you can choose to turn it off and do it manually in the app if you want to save some battery. Sleep tracking is solid, even monitors short day naps as long as you have a nap for longer than 20 minutes. And if you want more detail like deep sleep, light sleep, you can do it on the app. The SpO2 sensor makes its debut on the T-REX Pro and it worked really well. Though I wouldn't bother too much about this one, use it just for reference and not for medical monitoring. The T-REX Pro also comes with built-in GPS. Not only that, but GLONASS, Galileo and Baidu. Now all these are satellites that tell you your exact position and belong to different countries. GPS that we most often use is American and is also the most accurate when it comes to range coverage. The watch supports all of these and you get an option to choose which one you want. Like I've selected GPS and GLONASS as default. You can switch to others if you aren't getting a fix on your location. So for those who don't know, GPS comes handy to map your runs, walks, cycling or any outdoor workout more accurately. Now I got a fix on my location really fast and I never faced any issue with it. The T-REX Pro comes with over 100 workout modes, way past the 14 we had on the non-Pro variant. The list is unbelievable, covers literally everything you can ask for. Running, walking, cycling, swimming, outdoor sports, indoor sports, dance, boxing, ball sports, water sports, winter sports, leisure sports, oh my god. And yes, since it has 10 ATM water resistance rating, you also get swim tracking. And you can also get to choose the length of your pool. You can even custom set it actually. The watch comes with auto sport mode detector, which I'm guessing is self-explanatory. But in short, even if you forget to turn on your workout, it would recognize a workout and start tracking. However, the options for auto workout are limited, but it should suffice for most of us. I used it for a short run and it did a really good job. The readings were fairly accurate. It shows you the workout time, the distance, the heart rate, the calories burned and a lot more. If workout is your thing, gymming, running, tracking, then this one is the thing to get. Alright, let's have a quick look at the interface. Swipe from top to access quick toggles. You have the torch, you have the brightness, you have do not disturb, you have vibration, you have settings, you have movie mode, you have battery settings, and you can use these buttons on the side. Press the down button and you have access to activity goal. You have PAI, you have real-time weather, heart rate, SpO2 and settings, and you can press the back button from here. Swipe from the right to access notification. Great. Swipe from right to access your apps. Yes. And the best part is that you can also touch and use them as well as use it from the side. There you go. Wow, that's so much more easier and smoother. So your PAI, you have heart rate, you have SpO2, workout, workout records, workout status, stress monitor, activity goal, weather, alarms, compass, barometer, timer, stopwatch, events, music, find phone, notification and settings. Let's go into settings. You have watch faces, you have do not disturb, preferences, display, vibration, GPS, auto workout detection and system. The user experience was just amazing, extremely smooth and lag-free. The best part is you can use the buttons to navigate faster without touching the display. Coming to watch faces, well, we get 4 to 5 pre-installed on the watch, which are quite good. But the really amazing ones are available on the Zepp app. Analog, digital, complications, the collection is huge. There is also an option to set an image of your choice as a watch face. Simply select on the custom background, click on change background, select pic and sync. The image will be synced to your watch. Again, just a tip, custom watch faces may affect your battery life, so keep that in mind. The T-REX Pro receives incoming call alerts with a strong vibration. You can see the caller's name along with the option to reject the call or silent the ringer. But there is no way to answer the call. Now this is probably one thing that really let me down. I just hoped like the GT-S2 or the GT-R2, the T-REX Pro would also be able to answer calls from the watch. But unfortunately, we don't see that here. Also, no Alexa support, and since there's no mic or speaker, we can't expect this to be available in the future. Anyway, you receive notification from apps, you can see the app icon and read the messages as well, but you cannot reply. Now I'm using my T-REX Pro with an iPhone, so I can't confirm that if you are using it with an Android phone, you might be having an option to reply with a preset SMS. Something I'll check later and pin it in the comments. Coming to the companion Zepp app, well, it's come a really long way and it's getting a lot better. It collects your workout data and shows it to you in nice graphical format. Also, you can share data with apps like Google Fit, Strava and a few more. I know this is a very important deciding factor. So if you use Strava, Google Fit or any of these apps, the experience is going to be seamless. Finally, battery life. So it comes with a 390 mAh battery that will last 18 days with standard use. Now I've been using it for a couple of days and it stood up pretty well in my experience. For most average medium users, it will get you 2 weeks without a blink. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100%. On the battery life front, I can say that the T-REX Pro is really impressive. Alright, my final thoughts. So the design, the build quality, the straps and the display are all simply gorgeous. It comes with 100 plus workout modes, 1080 water resistance rating, built-in GPS, 15 military grade certifications. It's a solid watch to consider undoubtedly. But I would have liked to see a speaker and mic on it that would have opened doors for Alexa and phone calls on the watch. I guess that feature is reserved just for the GT2 series. The Amazfit T-REX Pro is a different league in altogether and stands out from the rest. You can get it for $12,999. Pre-booking starts from 26th of March on Amazon and the Amazfit website, while it will be going on sale on the 28th of March. It's going to be available in 3 colors, the grey, the black and the blue. I'll leave the links for all in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.